In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail password using Google Password Manager in Chrome. This is a quick and easy process, and it can be helpful if you saved your login details before and now need to check them again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're using the browser where your Gmail login may already be saved. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. This is the browser menu where you'll find different settings and tools. From the menu, go to Passwords and Autofill, then click Google Password Manager. This will open the Password Manager where Chrome stores saved logins for websites and accounts. Inside Google Password Manager, use the search bar and type Gmail or Google. This helps you quickly find the saved account you're looking for instead of scrolling through all your stored passwords. Once you see your Gmail account in the results, click on it to open the saved login details. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity using your computer password or system authentication. This is a security step to make sure only you can view the saved password. Go ahead and enter your computer password if prompted. After verification, you'll see the Save Password field. To reveal it, click the eye icon next to the password. The password will become visible on the screen, and from there you can read it or copy it if needed. Just remember to keep this information private and only use it on a device you trust. And that's it. That's how you see your Gmail password in Chrome using Google Password Manager. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.